What is up, guys? I'm doing a bike check on my Santa Cruz Tallboy C. We're gonna jump straight to we'll start at the back. I'm running for my rims race face AR40s with Maxxis Recon. They're 27.5 plus, so yeah, I get lots of traction with these. For my drivetrain, I have an Eagle GX and Novatech hubs. Going right up here, we have a RockShox reverb dropper post and this specialized, I forget what it's called, it's specific to only Specialized seats. So yeah, I have a Specialized seat on a Santa Cruz. Now, just a bottle cage, and for the rear shock, we have the Fox float, and up to the bars, I have in the steer tube, I have a, come on. 1UP Components steer tube tool, first aid kit in the storage, and just the multi-tool. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna pull this thing apart. There's the multi-tool and the chain lever and the chain tool, or the tire lever and the chain tool, and that slides in here just like this. I had the race face effect stem, race face bars, SRAM level TL brakes. For my grips, I have the Santa Cruz Patamale, something like that, and again Eagle GX shifter. There's my dropper post, and for the front fork there's a Fox 32 Performance, again race face AR40 Novatech hubs, same tire, and again SRAM level TL brakes. Oh yeah, for my pedals I have Shimano, are they DRXT? Yeah, DRXT. And yeah, there's grass on the tire because I skid. Sue me.
So sue me.
Oh, and then the Santa Cruz chainstay guard. What do I think about this bike? I love it. It's pretty decent on the climbs, like really good on the climbs, and it's fast on the downhill. And with the plus tires, I get great traction. Probably my next big modification will either be some new race face carbon bars. These are aluminum bars. Or some, I kind of like the Shimano Dior brakes better than the level, but we'll see. And in the future I want to get carbon rims, but those are expensive. And yeah. Now on the 1UP Components stem tool, it was a fairly easy install. All you have to do, this cap or the ring right here, that screws on by threads. You have to tap in the thread.
Let's just tap it in.
And then you just have the tool in here. You can either take this into a bike shop to do it, or you can do it yourself. I did it myself and it turned out really nice. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions about the bike or suggestions for new videos, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you extremists next time. Peace.